So we're going to install a wireless security camera system, and I'm going to put it outdoors. I managed to pick up one of these. This is the Arlo Pro, and this is basically a remote wireless camera powered by a rechargeable battery. Super easy to set up. It has motion detection, it has great night vision. I've seen a lot of reindeer, cows, horses, fox, and I think a badger on the one I have in the cabin. But this is gonna go in the backyard, probably on the greenhouse wall. This is the wall mount. So this wall mount is a magnet. So you just go ahead and boop. So it's super strong. And this makes it really easy to just angle the camera in whatever direction you want it. And this is for two reasons. First of all, as I said, you can angle it in any direction you want. Secondly, you want to be able to pull this away because you have this charger. So you can take this inside, you can charge it for an hour. I don't remember how long it's charging for, but you charge it for basically an hour, 2 hours, and then the battery is going to last you about a month. However, if you run it on a battery, you're going to notice you get like a 1 to 2 second delay before it actually starts recording. I think that has something to do with it. The camera is trying to save battery, so it only has the kind of the motion sensing capability turn on. And when it detects a motion, it turns on the camera and starts recording, which is kind of clever since it really extends the battery life of this thing. This is the base station. It has 2 USB ports, a reset thing. It has a LAN port, on-off, and a power plug, and that's it. And I also have a siren or alarm if you want to use that. I'm not going to. This one is not wireless, so you want to connect this to your router, or I'm going to use one of those Google, what do you call those? Yeah, the mesh network thingy. Ooh, spider. So this is where I'm going to put it. This is the TV cabinet. This is the TV box. This is one of my Google things. We're not really watching TV, so I don't think my wife is going to notice if I unplug the internet from the TV box. Because I mean, who's watching TV, right? We're all streaming YouTube. That should do it. Power it up. Start it up. And it should... There we go. It's all set up. It gives me the option to add a camera, which I'm gonna do. I need to press the sync button. So let's go ahead and do that. So the sync button right there. Flashing blue. Now it's searching for the camera. Yeah, and it found it. And it's active. The camera is online. I mean, that's the whole setup. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go outside and we're gonna mount this to the greenhouse wall. This is the greenhouse wall. You can see that in some other video. I'm gonna try to put it right on the top there. Like so. Since I want to get the power to it, I'm gonna go inside. See if I can't wiggle this around. I hope I can get it through the existing cracks in the wall. Might need to remove 1 or 2 of the boards. So I want to use that outlet right there. Oh God, it's so warm. Oh Lord. So I used a regular Phillips head. There we go. Oh, so freaking warm. Oh man. I'm just gonna do this off camera, and then I'm gonna act like it was super easy. There we go. Piece of cake. Okay. Don't work in a greenhouse when it's 35 degrees outside and 2 million degrees inside. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you the night vision mode since we live in Norway. During summer it hardly gets dark. Maybe I can do an update in a couple of months when it's dark 24/7. So the camera is in place, The base station is all set up, everything is hooked up, connected to the power, so I'm never gonna need to charge it, which is nice. And now it actually covers the whole backyard, including the small guest house and the back door of the main house. So I get a full view because it has really nice wide angle lens. So if you want to see something else garden related, go ahead and click right over here. And if you want to see all the videos, go ahead and click over there. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.